In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets. This allows your form responses to automatically sync into a spreadsheet, making data collection and organization much easier. First, open your browser and go to the Typeform website. Click on the Login button in the top right corner and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, select the form you want to connect to Google Sheets. After opening the form, look for the Connect tab. Inside this section, click on Integrations. You'll now see a list of available integrations. Find and select Google Sheets. Next, Typeform will ask you to sign into your Google account. Log in and allow the required permissions so Typeform can access your spreadsheets. After authorization, you'll have two options: create a new Google Sheet, connect to an existing Google Sheet. If you want to use an existing spreadsheet, simply paste the Google Sheets URL when prompted. Once you've selected your preferred option, click Connect or Activate. Your Typeform responses will now automatically appear inside your Google Sheet whenever someone submits the form. This integration is useful for survey responses, lead collection, customer feedback, registration forms, data tracking and analysis. It also saves time by eliminating the need to manually copy and paste responses. And that's it. You've successfully connected Typeform to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and productivity tips.